Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Instagram using two-factor authentication, full guide step-by-step clearly. To enable two-factor authentication on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your device. Log into your Instagram account if you haven't already. Once you are on your home feed, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. In your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, tap on Security. Under the Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on Two-Factor Authentication to enter the settings. You'll see an option that says Get Started. Tap on it. You will be given two options for receiving your verification codes. You can choose either to receive codes via text message or through an authentication app. If you choose text message, enter your phone number and tap Next. Wait for a confirmation code to be sent to your phone. Enter the code you received and tap Next to verify your phone. If you opt for an authentication app, follow the instructions to link the app. Scan the QR code provided or enter the code manually into your authentication app. Once set up, your authentication app will generate a verification code each time you log in. After confirming your method, make sure to enable Require Security Code. This will ensure that you need a code every time you log in from an unrecognized. Lastly, consider saving your backup codes in a secure location for future access. You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Instagram account. This adds an extra layer of security and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.